love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always
Namaste friends. In today's lecture, we are actually starting a new module. We finished all the file handling, so we have actually finished the base of the Python. Okay, so my target is 6 months, right? So we have definitely finished the base of the Python. There is no second thoughts about it. So from today's lecture, what we will be doing is we are getting a lot more in depth. So we are getting into something called as a NumPy, and side by side I'll also be uploading about Panda. So like always, in a day there will be like one chapter on NumPy and one chapter on Panda in English. The following day it will be in Tamil, which is my mother tongue. So what is this NumPy, where all these things are being used, okay, and how we are actually going to be progressing. We'll be, as I said, we'll also be doing small projects, so that is also there. So that will actually help us to get to know Python a lot more better, and I'll actually try to include a lot more projects here. So today is a world of data analysis and machine learning, data science. So if you know this, you're going to be assured of a job. Okay, that everybody knows, right? So our objective is to know the field and to get you a good high paying job. Okay, that is our objective. All right, so this NumPy is actually used in machine learning. Okay, and let's see what kind of machine learning it has been used. And the Panda, it has been used in data analysis. Okay, so the NumPy, which is also called as a numerical Python, is basically a Python library. Okay, it is used for working with the arrays. NumPy is also used in the data distribution, normal distribution, Poisson distribution, uniform, logistic, multinomial distributions. So these are statistics. Okay, we have actually in our very young age we have actually learnt about it, and this can also come in the machine learning. Okay, like what kind of regression, what kind of distribution, it can also come. All right, so the NumPy is a Python library used in working for arrays. It also has a function for working in domains of linear algebra, Fourier transform, and matrices. Okay, so this is the NumPy. And why do we use a NumPy? We have a list that serves the purpose of arrays, but they are slow to process. Okay, even in our Python we actually saw about arrays, but they are slightly slow to process. NumPy aims to provide an array object up to 50 times faster than the traditional Python list. Okay, the array object in the NumPy is called the ND array. It provides a lot of supporting function that makes working with the ND array very easy. Arrays are very frequently used in data science, where speed and resources are very important. And remember what I said, data science, machine learning, right? So this is where this NumPy is coming in because of the speed. Okay, 50 times faster than the traditional one, and when you use with large data sets, this is so important. So why is this NumPy faster than the list? The NumPy arrays are stored at a continuous place in the memory, unlike the list. Okay, so the processors can actually access and manipulate them very efficiently. If they actually stored it continuously, then you can actually access it, right, as compared to storing 1 here, storing 2 in a different place, storing 3 in a different place where it actually has to search. If this is actually stored continuously, you can actually fastly access it, right? So this is the reason why NumPy is faster than the list. Now let's actually try to do some hands-on. Okay, while using this Anaconda, okay, we can actually import this NumPy. So import the NumPy, and then I say numpy.array. This is the way you actually define the array we know, and then I say print arr. Now if I actually run it, see how fast it is, 1 2 3 4 5. Now I can also give an alias command. So when I say import the NumPy, I can say import the NumPy as np, same thing, and I can say arr. Okay, so it actually gives me this command. All right, so by creating a ND array, it is used to be working with the arrays, right? So what does it actually mean here? let's actually see this, and more or less, like, we actually tried this kind of a command. So let's actually see what this has been in store. I'm importing the NumPy as NP alias. This is my array, and np.array, I'm giving this. I'm say print ARR, and I'm telling what is my type of this ARR. Okay, so this is what I'm actually trying to do. So it is printing, and it says NumPy ND array. So it says like this is nothing but an ND array, and this is exactly what we wanted to see. All right, I think it's a good start. Okay, so hang in there. There are a lot of tutorials coming, and we will actually keep hands on regularly. I mean, almost in every lesson. Okay, and if you have any questions about what NumPy is, where it is used, you know where to contact me, and I'll always be I'll try to help you to the best of my abilities. All right, side by side, also watch my panda tutorial. Okay, so till we see next time, you take care. Cheers. Thank you.